turn off Facebook Messenger sound. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can turn off your Facebook Messenger sound. So if you want to turn off your Facebook Messenger sound, you have to follow this step. So if you want to turn off your Facebook sound, then you have to long press on your Facebook and go for the app info. And here you have to just scroll down and go for your notification and you have to toggle all the notification here. So this way you can turn off your Facebook sound. So if you want to turn off the sound in your messenger, you have to go for your messenger and tap on the three line or three horizontal line which is on the top left corner of the screen. Tap on the gear icon. Scroll down and go for the notification and sound. Here you can mute your notification sound for the 15-minute, 1 hour, 8 hours here. Also, if you want to turn off your sound on your messenger completely, just long press on that, go for the eye icon, and here you have to just go for the notification and toggle it off. So this way you can easily turn off the sound in Facebook Messenger. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.